You know you really make me smile. You know I like when you always take an extra mile, yeah. Cause when no one else comes around, you treat me like a queen and always give me a crown. Thanks for putting up with me. Our love is sentimental, don't need a shopping spree. Cause I really feel so lucky.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today is gonna be something a little different. I'm not gonna be in my house. I'm gonna be moving around. You see I'm not using my ring light. It's gonna be natural lighting. I'm going to surprise my grandma for her birthday. Her birthday is on Monday, but we're doing a surprise makeover. So we're gonna install her wig and do her makeup and take a photo shoot. So it's gonna be me, my mom, and sister. We planned this. It's gonna be great. Like, y'all gonna see everything. It's gonna be like a little vlog today. So y'all gonna see me in the car when we're going. I'm gonna have clips when we surprise her. Y'all gonna see me install the wig, do the makeup, but it's gonna be sped up. But this is gonna be a nice, like, happy video. I'm so hyped to do this. Like, I'm so excited. Like, oh my god. So I just did. Y'all see me, I got my little wig on. I just threw this on for the video, for real. It's not even glued down. I used some product. It's like a foam, styling foam, like from Shea's Bomb collection. I just laid it down with that and wrapped it, and it's good. So if y'all want to see me do a video on that, let me know in the comments and I'll show you. It's just a quick little style I did, because this wig just came yesterday and I just stole it, because I'm like, yo, let me look cute today. So about to get in this video. So guys, I'm now at my grandma's house. I just got out of the car. This is about to be an epic thing. We're about to surprise her. She knows we're coming, but she don't know. Let me go back in the sun. She knows we're coming, but she doesn't know what we're doing. So this is about to be lit. I'm waiting at the front door, waiting for her to open it. So, oh, I can't see, but my picture is still on the door. 2020 graduate. So me and my sister is about to tell my grandma that we're surprising her with a makeover. Stay tuned. Hi, Grandma.
Hello.
We're surprising you with a makeover. We're doing your hair and makeup. So right now I'm doing the bald cap method. I'm just cutting out the ears right now so it can lay flat. As you can see, this is my grandma's first time getting a lace front wig, well, a frontal, and she's just so excited. So I'm cutting out both ears right now. I'm not going to be putting makeup on the cap because it's close to her skin tone, so there's no reason to do that. So right now I'm going to put the freeze spray to melt the cap down. And after I put the freeze spray on it, then I'm going to be blow drying on cool heat. You have to make sure you get the edges by the ears because those are the hardest part to lay down. Now I'm just blow drying on cool, and yeah. As you can see, I accidentally burned my grandma with the blow dryer, so now I'm just cutting the excess cap off, so getting around the ears and everything. And guys, do not mind my arm, that's just deodorant, so just don't mind that. Pay attention to my grandmother. So I'm just cutting it off close to her edges. Now I'm about to put the wig on just to see if I have to cut off any more cap, if it's visible or anything. So I'm taking off the flexi rods in the front so I can see the hairline, and I'm going to clip it back with some clips and just line it up with her hairline just to make sure everything is straight and situated, and see if I have to cut off anything else. Now I'm actually beginning the process of gluing it. I'm using the Ghost Bond glue, and I'm just putting it all around the cap, little dots, and I'm gonna be using the end of a knife to smooth it out because it's disposable, so it's easy to use. It's nice and smooth to blend all of it out. And I'm doing a second coat, but I believe I did 3 coats. I did 3 coats so it could last long for my grandma, because she doesn't really know how to keep up with this kind of stuff. So I wanted her to get the long lasting hold, because I'm not going to be able to put it on for her every day. Now I'm actually putting the lace down, smudging it in. I cut it in 3 sections so it could be easier for me to pull it down. I didn't get to show that part, but now I'm just smoothing it in with a comb. Make sure it's laying flat, nice and melted in. Doing that on both sides. Now I'm cutting around the ear tab so it can lay flat by the ear. It won't irritate the client's ear, which is my grandma. So I'm cutting around the ear tabs. I'm doing that on both sides. Now I'm actually about to tie it down. I'm not cutting it yet. I'm just going to tie it down with the elastic band and my scarf for double hold. I'm probably going to leave that on for about 30 minutes so it could get together. Now I took it off and I'm smoothing everything out. Now I'm actually going to begin to cut the lace off, so zigzag motion so it can look like an actual hairline. Please do not cut straight across. Please do zigzag, so I'm doing zigzags. As you can see, this lace is blending into her skin for real. Like zigzags will save you. It's blending so nicely. Now I'm going to be doing the edges. Make sure I don't like thick edges, so I already plucked like the front part out so it don't have to be thick, so it's like thin. Now I'm using Got To Be, the black one, the clear one, to lay the edges. It took me a while to master my edges, but now I like the way it looks, so I did a couple of edges on both sides. And when I tell you my grandma was fiending for edges, like she always wanted to get a frontal with some edges, so I had to deliver. She got some edges now. Heard her. The edges look so nice now. I'm about to lay it down so it could be nice and flat and don't move, because I like my edges to not move. Now I'm about to start her makeup, and I'm doing her eyebrows because this is a full makeover. She's getting the full treatment, hair and makeup. So I'm doing her eyebrows. Look at, I slayed them eyebrows. She looking at it. She liked them. Like, look at that eyebrow. Like, you can see the difference. Like, it's nice and filled in and nice. Little arch. I'm doing her other eyebrow now. Filling them in. I'm using a ColourPop pencil and mixed with the spoolie. I like ColourPop. Their pencils are good for the eyes. Now I'm just adding concealer on the bottom just to sharpen the shape a bit. For the top, to sharpen the top, I'm going to be using the foundation color. So I use the bottom as a highlight and the top I match it with her skin. So I'm just sharpening the top with her color. As you can see, them eyebrows is slayed, honey, filled in. She looks like a baddie already. Now I'm just adding the concealer to her lids because we're about to do her eyeshadow. So I'm just putting it all over her lids on both sides and going to blend it out with a beauty blender. So as you can see, I got tired and didn't feel like doing her eyeshadow anymore because I already did her hair and everything. So I asked my sister to come do the eyeshadow because she was supposed to do like the base of the makeup anyway. So I was like, just do the eyeshadow. So she's adding a neutral color, a brown color to the top by the eyebrows as a transition shade on both lids. She's going to be using like a light brown, a purple but not a dark purple at the top, and then gold on the lid. My sister is applying this white, so when she puts the gold on, it will show up. So if you didn't have any eyeshadow base, just use white shadow and you'll be just fine. And then just apply the shimmer or the gold, whatever you're gonna put on. Now I came back to apply a light eyeliner over her eyes, not doing a wing or anything, just to line the eyes out. And after that, we're going to be putting on the lashes. So I'm just lining her eyes right now. First of all, she's already looking like a baddie. Eyes and eyeshadow done. Now we're putting on the lashes. I asked my sister to help me to do the other ones, just to hold it so it could just stay there and get good on her eyes so it won't come off or anything. Now she's cute with her little lashes on. Heard her. Now my sister is applying the foundation. She makes 2 foundations together, and it was a perfect shade for her because when we were shopping for my grandmother, we didn't know what her shade was. We were so nervous, but it came together and that's her shade. So she's doing the face, blending it out with a beauty blender. Next, my sister is adding a light concealer under the eye just to brighten up the under eye just a little bit because she's been looking at videos how to do like old people makeup, so they was giving her tips. So they said not to go too hard on the under eye, so she's doing a light highlight under the eyes, and then she's gonna be baking it on both sides. We're gonna bake it for, I think we baked it for 20 minutes while we was doing other things. My grandma is like, yo, what is this? She was like, I'm looking way too white. Like, she don't know about makeup, so she don't know, like, that's called baking. We're baking the under eyes and the concealer that we put, because this is really like her second time getting her makeup done, well, professionally done. We're not professionals, but she never really got her makeup done like this before, so she's hyped. And now my sister's just bronzing her face all over, just bronzing it out just to apply like a nice warmth. Now she's just brushing off the baking powder or the excess powder that's left on her face, and then she's just blending everything out so it can be seamless. Just gonna blend. My sister is now applying a light blush, nothing too crazy, just want to be a subtle blush color, so we're just applying that blush because I feel like brush will look good on her. And now she's adding some highlights to her nose and her cheekbones. Just a subtle look, just to make her pop a little bit, give her like a poppin' look. Like, she's already looking good. Like, who's telling her what? She's mad youthful right now. And that highlight on her nose, honey, shining. She's feeling herself right now. You see her? Looking on in the camera like, I look good. Yes, I do. Now I'm coming back to do her lip liner, and that's just a brown, I think it's called cocoa lip color, just around her lips, and we're just gonna do a clear lip gloss. So just lining up her lip shape, and then we're gonna use a clear lip gloss, and voila, like, that's it, honey. We don't need no lip gloss, no lipstick. That lip liner really be doing a trick, and she looks so good. Now we're just setting her face so everything will be set and nothing transfers. As you can see, my sister kind of sprayed her in her eye, but she's all good. It's nothing wrong now. It was just a little accident, but she had me weak just now. Now I'm just taking out her flexi rods, about to do the finishing touches on her hair. Now I'm just fixing the part in the middle so it could just be straight and seamless. Now I'm gonna put the Slick and Foam Slay spray from the Bomb collection just to make everything flat. The flyaways, do by the edges so everything could just be flat and laying good. Now I'm just taking the hot comb to reinforce the flatness, get everything smooth, laid down good. And notice how I'm just using the back side, because that's good for like parts and stuff. And I'm just brushing out the curls, as you can see. And honey, she's slayed. I just told her, look in the camera, do some hair flips. Like, girl, you cute. Let's see it. Yes, yes, girl. Who's telling you what? Your grandma can never, because what? She's 20 here. 21. You fire, ma. You fire. Heard you. Heard you. Do it for the camera. Smile. Now she looks so good, guys. Okay, so I'm just getting in the house from my grandma's house. Today's video was a success. She is so happy with her makeover. She loved it. Her makeup, everything looks so good. Like, I slayed her hair, eyebrows, and everything. And my sister did some of the makeup. We're a good team. If you need us, book us. We're a travel team. We travel together. Who is better? We bodied that though. Like, I can't wait for this video to go up and you guys to see like what we did, like the transformation. Like, I am so hyped. I'm so happy that she loved it. I loved it. She's a baddie. Your grandmother could never. She could never. So I just want to end this video real quick because I'm so tired. It's hot outside. I just want to lay down in the AC. So then you guys watch my video, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And what else you want to see in the comments? Like, I'm really doing some challenges. I have so much in store for this channel. Like, I'm really taking this serious. I got so much in store. Like, I'm trying to be consistent once every week, then maybe twice every week. Just whatever you guys want. That's what y'all gonna get. So, peace out.